Hi everyone, this is Manzi. I am a multimedia visual artist. My solo exhibition is coming in May 5th to May 31st. And the opening night is May 5th at 6 to 10 p.m. doing an untapped event in Baby Contemporary Art of Pompano Beach. So welcome to Joy if you are local here. During May, I also offer workshops and event. Welcome to come. I'll put the information with the link on my website homepage. I just want to show you guys some of my works here. It's gonna be on the show. So the one behind me, the show it's called The Sigh, which is about inspire women to find hope, strength, and joy. You can see some. By the way, this one. Sorry. I'm at my studio right now, by the way, in Bailey Contemporary Art. I'm currently in an art residency program here. Behind me, it's, sorry, this way. The canvas I'm working on is gonna be in my show. I don't wanna show you guys because I'm still working on it. Hopefully you guys come to my show that you guys will see for yourself. And some of my works behind, some of them gonna be in the show, some are not. So welcome to check that out. So appreciate. Okay, since the exhibition it's gonna be actually outside of my studio. My studio is in the gallery. So I'm just gonna show you how the space looks like. Currently it's my dear friend Gerard Pastor's exhibition, and I'm gonna show you guys his work too. Here is how the space looks like. Yeah. And then you see Gerard, his work. The space, it's nice and big. Actually, there's more on the other side. And those are the works showing our works all together. This is the first one, this is mine. And this is Gregory's, Gerard, Leonardo's, and those are their studio. I just want to show you the space we have. It can be, more art at that time. I mean, on the exhibition, I gonna feel, oh, this is work beautiful. So gonna show you guys the space, and I just want to highlight Gerard, his work. So amazing.